Factors that affect the cost of outdoor digital signage. Deploying outdoor digital signage presents a set of unique challenges, which can be overcome with the proper preparation. It is always important to research options to make an informed decision. Compared to an indoor solution, outdoor installations require more robust enclosures, electronics, and thermal management. An end user may need to overcome the following challenges to create the best signage. Light. Kiosks installed in direct sunlight require commercial-grade high-bright LCDs that are a minimum of 1500 nits or more of brightness. Be wary of manufacturers that market 700 nit displays as high bright. These screens are simply not bright enough for outdoor use. Temperature and environment. Electronics that have a heat tolerance of 140 degrees Fahrenheit are recommended inside of an enclosure. The solution may also require adequate airflow to ensure the electronics are always operational. Harsh weather can be detrimental to LCDs. All-weather LCD enclosures with the proper gasket can protect everything inside of the box. Humidity. If an LCD is exposed to an elevated level of humidity, it can increase the likelihood that moisture and dust will harm the screen. In some cases, these elements can cause the LCD to malfunction. Choose a NEMA 3R rated LCD enclosure to maximize the life cycle of electronics. Wind load. Wind force can put additional pressure on the structure and create a vacuum. Determining wind load is critical to the design and installation of structurally sound and safe equipment. The higher off the ground that the signage is installed, the greater the wind load. Outdoor digital signage can set your business apart from the crowd and make a splash in a sea of outdated static boards. Planning ahead will decrease the chance of damage and loss of money. A heavy-duty, all-weather digital solution will always pay off in the end. Still have questions? Contact ITS Enclosures at 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com or visit itsenclosures.com and click on the video tab for our large variety of installation videos and vlogs.